Welcome to Quizmaster.
Prepare to tantalize your taste buds as you explore the rich and diverse cuisines of Asia. Are you ready? Let's begin. Which Asian country is famous for its sushi and sashimi dishes? Japan. What is the main ingredient in the Korean dish kimchi? Cabbage. Which country is known for its spicy and flavorful cuisine, including dishes like Tom Yum Goong? Thailand. What is the traditional Indian flatbread made of whole wheat flour called? Naan. Which country is famous for its aromatic and colorful biryani dish? India. What is the primary ingredient in the Japanese dish tempura? Seafood. Which Asian country is known for its delicious pad thai noodles? Thailand. What is the main ingredient in the Chinese dish Peking duck? Duck. Which Indian dish consists of lentils cooked with spices and ghee? Dal. Which country is famous for its savory dumplings called gyoza? Japan. What is the fermented soybean paste commonly used in Korean cuisine? Miso. Which Indian dish consists of marinated meat cooked on skewers in a tandoor oven? Tandoori chicken. What is the main ingredient in the Thai dish green curry? Green chilies. Which country is known for its famous dish, Hainanese chicken rice? Singapore. What is the traditional Japanese soup made from miso paste and dashi broth called? Miso soup. Which Indian bread is made from maida flour and commonly served with curry? Chapati. Which Asian country is known for its spicy kimchi stew called kimchi jjigae? South Korea. What is the popular Thai street food made of stir-fried rice noodles called? Pad Thai. Which Indian dessert is made from fried dough soaked in sugar syrup? Gulab jamun. What is the famous Korean dish made of seasoned vegetables and rice, served in a hot stone bowl? Bibimbap. Which country is known for its delicate and intricate dim sum dumplings? China. What is the traditional Vietnamese soup made with broth, rice noodles, herbs, and meat? Pho. Which Indian dish consists of fried dough balls, served with yogurt and chutneys? Dahi vada. What is the popular Chinese dish made of stir-fried noodles, meat, and vegetables? Chow mein. Which country is known for its spicy and aromatic curry dishes, such as massaman curry? Thailand. What is the traditional Korean side dish made of seasoned vegetables? Kimchi. Which Indian bread is typically made from fermented batter of rice and lentils? Dosa. What is the famous Taiwanese dish made of minced pork and spices served over rice? Lu Fan. Which country is known for its delicate and colorful sushi rolls? Japan. What is the traditional Indonesian fried rice dish called? Nasi goreng. Which Indian dish consists of fried potato dumplings, served with yogurt and chutneys? Aloo tikki. What is the famous Chinese dish made of stir-fried noodles with vegetables and meat? Chow mein. Which country is known for its deliciously spicy mapo tofu dish? China. What is the traditional Japanese dish made of grilled, skewered meat? Yakitori. Which Indian dessert consists of fried dough soaked in saffron syrup and topped with nuts? Jalebi. What is the popular Thai salad made with shredded green papaya, chili, and lime? Som tam. Which country is known for its spicy and sour tom yum soup? Thailand. What is the traditional Korean pancake made with green onions and seafood? Pajang. Which Indian bread is typically stuffed with spiced potatoes and deep fried? Samosa. What is the popular Chinese dish made of small steamed buns filled with meat or vegetables? Baozi. Thank you for watching.